Hi, from this tutorial I will show you how to use your area target demo in your ECAR Spatial Anchor app. Let's get started. First you open your ECR Spatial Anchor app, go to your area target demo and scan the environment. From this demo you can replace any preferred game object for dummy objects, and I place two dummy objects in my scene, and you can use cards to place a knot. For first card I add a knot as a rocket game object, and second one also I want to replace a rocket, so I rename it as rocket 2. Then I can save my scene, go back to menu. The rest of the modification will be done in Unity editor, so I open my Unity project. After you placed your dummy object using area target demo, you should have to take your JSON file into your Unity project. So for that you have to go to Xcode and plug your iPhone, and it will detect this your phone is plugged in here, and you have to go to Window, Devices and Simulators, and then you can see under your devices you can see your ECR Spatial Anchor app. Then click it and go to this setting button and click and download content. It will ask where you want to download your app container, and you can give your preferred location and save it. Once it's saved, you can see your container file here. Right click on it, go to show package content, go to app data and go to documents, and you can see AR feature point data folder here. Go to that and you can see AR feature point data.json file here. You want to drag and drop this file into our ECR Spatial Anchor folder. Go to resources and AR Spatial Anchor point data folder, and you want to replace your AR feature point data.json file into this folder. Okay, once you get that JSON file into your editor, you can play your scene, and under new game object you can see our two environment scanner dummy objects are here, and go to scene window and click one of environment scanner game object, and you can see your dummy objects that we are placed in real world here. For these two environment scanner boxes I will replace my rocket game objects behalf of the environment scanners. So I search rocket prefab and drag and drop this rocket prefab into my container. I also want another rocket to place second environment scanner game object, so I drag and drop again my rocket game object into container. Then I can position my rocket game object into these two environment scanner game objects. In editor mode, then you can go to your game window and click this place button here, and it will automatically place your game object to your new game object, and then you want to save the scene. So click this save button again. Once you click your save button, it will show up the saving status and you have successfully saved your scenery. Now you can stop the scenery. Once you save your scene, don't forget to add this rocket prefab into your area target demo. So you have to redirect to ECR Spatial Anchor scenes folder and double click on area target demo and go to general configuration and add your rocket game object into element 1. If you want to add more than 2 prefabs in your scene, you can easily add your scenery item prefab count here and add those prefab also in here. So you want to add all the prefab that you have entered into container here. So you have to go to file and build setting and build your scene again. Okay, once you build your scene, you can run your application and scan your area. Now you can see your rocket game objects that you have placed in Unity editor in the real world. Thank you.